Hello, welcome to derivative. In this video, we are going to focus on how to obtain the derivative of inverse of trigonometric ratios. Today, we want to focus on how to obtain the derivative of sine inverse of x. Sine inverse of function of x is written as y is equal to sine inverse of x. So multiplying by sine, both sides will have sine y, which is equal to sine multiplied by sine inverse of x. On the right hand, we are going to make use of this law of indices. A power 1 multiplying by a power -1. When bases are the same, you want the index, so 1 plus -1 is 0. So a power 0 is equal to 1. Note that any number power 0 is equal to 1. So we make use of that here so that we shall obtain. So applying that rule here, we shall obtain that sine of y is equal to x. Then we take in derivative both signs. So derivative of sine y is cos y, and we multiply by dy over dx. Derivative of dx with dx is 1. Then from there we divide both sides by cos of y, so that we shall obtain 1 divided by cos of y. From there, we make use of this identity. Sine squared of y is equal plus cos squared of y is equal to 1. So cos squared of y. So subtracting sine squared y, both sides to obtain this. Then we check here that sine y is equal to x. So this can be written as 1 minus x squared. We can take square root both sides so that we shall have cos of y is equal to square root of 1 minus x squared. Then we substitute here. So we are going to have 1 divided by square root of 1 minus x squared, which implies that when you have y is equal to sine inverse of x, then the derivative of y prime is equivalent to 1 divided by square root of 1 minus x squared. So that is the derivative of sine inverse of x. In this video, we have made use of this identity. Sine squared y plus cos squared y is equal to 1. Then we have made sine squared y the subject, so that we have 1 minus sine squared y. Then we have substituted the value of sine y, which is x here, and we have taken the square root. Also, we have made use of this law of logarithm, that a multiplied by a with different indices. We add the indices, and any number power 0 is equal to 1. Also here we have made implicit differentiation of y here. As well here we have dy over dx after differentiating. Note that on the next video we are going to focus on the derivative of cos inverse of x. So tune on to my YouTube channel so that you can know how to learn or how to obtain the derivative of cos inverse of x, together with the other areas of trigonometric derivative. Thank you so much for your interest in learning maths. Remember, you can comment on any other approach you have on obtaining the derivative of cos inverse of x. Thanks so much for your time. Bye bye for now. See you in the next video.